I'm creativity and education specialist, Cindy Burnett.
And I'm Barney Saltzberg, children's book author and illustrator and songwriter.
So Barney, today we're going to be talking about the skill keep open. And keeping open is about keeping open to new ideas. So have you ever gone to a friend with a new idea and then they just went, no, I don't like that, or that's not going to work?
Not only have I done that, but I've also had it done to me. So yes, I'm very well aware of that moment.
Okay, so Barney, you've written over 50 children's books. How many have you actually published and how many have you actually written?
So I've written probably close to 100.
Wow.
Published maybe 50 of them. So that is an example of having an idea that someone doesn't necessarily appreciate. So I can still write a story. It doesn't mean it's going to be a published book. So that's about half. Yeah.
Okay. So when you go to someone and you say, hey, will you take a look at my book? And they respond with, it's not going to work. How do you feel?
I want to cry. It's not a great feeling. It's not. It's really not. It would be like coming to kindergarten with your picture that you made at school, hoping that your mom was going to put it on the fridge, and she goes, "Yeah, not quite," and she puts it in a drawer. It's that feeling. It's like, well, you should love this. I put my heart and soul into this. Of course, it's great, and they don't always agree, so it's not a great feeling.
So today we're going to do an activity called Flip It. And this activity is meant to help you practice keeping open to new ideas. So Barney, do you have a sheet of paper?
I do. You want to see it?
I would love to see it.
Right here.
Okay. Do you have a writing utensil?
I do.
Great. So for those of you watching, you will also need a writing utensil and a piece of paper. So pause the video and make sure you have that available to you. Next, what you're going to do, Barney, is you're going to take your non-dominant hand, meaning the hand you don't write with, and put the writing utensil in that hand. What you're going to do is you're going to place your sheet of paper on a flat surface, put your writing utensil onto your piece of paper, and you're going to close your eyes.
Okay. Here we go.
From there, what I would like you to do is imagine your face in full detail. And with your eyes shut and writing with your non-dominant hand and practicing keeping open, I would like you to draw a picture of your face with your writing utensil. You will have 1 minute to do this, so you don't need to pause the video. You'll have 1 minute to do this. Go. So Barney, can you show us the picture that you drew? Wow, Barney, it's like a replica of you. It's wonderful.
My hat has almost like a tail on it.
Yes. So now that you've done this wonderful Picasso-style drawing, what we would like you to do is take your picture, and Barney, if you could hold it up to our audience.
Yeah.
No, definitely don't rip it.
Yes.
Hold it up to our audience and turn it 90 degrees one way. There you go. Perfect. So now when you look at this picture, I want you to keep open and I want you to see what other pictures might emerge. So Barney, just by looking at this quickly, can you see any pictures that are not your face that you see emerge as you might add on to it?
You know, I don't yet, but I think once I put my pen down, some ideas will happen. Right now, nothing's coming to me.
Okay.
Like scribble scrabble.
Okay, scribble scrabble. So turn that scribble scrabble into a new picture, a completely new picture. So you'll need your writing utensil again, and we're going to give you another minute. Are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. Go. Okay, Barney, let's see what you came up with. Wow. Can you tell us about that?
This is a chicken, and he's pecking at some flowers that I made out of the clouds that I was trying to draw before. And I had some dots on trying to put them on my face, and I then decided that even though I don't think chickens have marks like that, just to make a pattern with it. And that's what it turned into. So
Excellent.
you can still see my face there.
Yeah.
My nose looks bigger, which is a good trick. And there he is now as a chicken.
Wonderful. Now, Barney, we're going to do one more round. So take your picture, the one that you just created, and you're going to turn it another 90 degrees to the other way, right there. And you're going to create a brand new picture for us over the next minute. Are you ready?
Oh, sure.
Okay, go. And stop. Okay, Barney, show us what you came up with. Nice. Very interesting. Tell us about it.
Well, the guy who turned into a chicken is now an alien monster. So,
wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
An alien monster.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, Barney, when you were doing this, did you hear little voices in your head like that won't work or I don't like that?
You know, because I'm an illustrator, I think my capacity to just try things is a little bigger. And even though I didn't have a clue, it was more the voice I had was just keep going, because I think I didn't want to stop myself. I knew I had a limited amount of time, because I definitely looked at it initially and thought, I have no ideas. So I just kind of made myself just draw, and then things happen. So not so much.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. So we would love to see your keep open pictures. So if your teacher wants to send them to us, or if you want to hashtag them, create TUBEity, we would love to see what you've done. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.
Have fun drawing.